How to set timer on Instagram camera. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a timer on your Instagram camera. After watching this video, you will be able to do it. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. In the home page of Instagram, swipe to the right to activate the Instagram camera. You have to remember one thing, which is that the timer feature is available only for Reels, so we have to switch to Reel mode first. In the Reels mode section, at the top of the screen, tap on the clock icon. This is where you can set the timer. Use the slider to choose the timer duration, anywhere from 1 to 60 seconds. Below that, you can set a countdown timer and choose between 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Once you've set your preferences, tap Set Timer. Hit the record button, and after the countdown, Instagram will start recording your reel with the timer. And that's it. Now you know how to use the timer on Instagram camera for Reels. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. That's all for the video.